Now,
we're just trying to get ready for when that day comes that we're ready to fulfill all those orders.
An Indianapolis company says it will be ready when a COVID-19 vaccine arrives. There is some concern that inadequate cold storage could slow the rollout of some COVID-19 vaccines. Good evening, everyone. I'm Brooke Martin.
And I'm Phil Sanchez. Thank you for joining us tonight. Indianapolis-based Sutton Garden preparing to be part of the solution. News 8's Demi Johnson is there live tonight for us. And Demi, the company says they're getting calls from all over the country.
Yeah, with more people avoiding restaurants and grocery stores, business at Sutton Garden has picked up immensely during the pandemic. The company has shipped food in cold storage all across the country. Now its need is growing, and this time it could help save lives. As workers saw, strip, and stack, dry ice is in high demand.
Once the vaccine came out that it had to be in dry ice as well, we realized we had another market to sell our ice to.
Sales manager Jacob Maynard says in an effort to not leave anyone high and dry, Sutton Garden has added more staff and shifts. It'll help meet a need only they can accomplish in the state.
Well, right now we're the only one in the state of Indiana that manufactures dry ice in Indiana.
That's going to come in handy soon. The Moderna vaccine has to be stored at -4 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the standard for most hospital and pharmacy freezers. Pfizer's vaccine, on the other hand, needs to be in at least -94 degrees Fahrenheit, a temperature dry ice can accommodate. Maynard says while they may not have the space to store the amount of vaccination Indiana could eventually need, the company's capacity to ship is a huge help.
These hold upwards of 1,500 pounds. The block product, it can hold 2,500. And it keeps that product fairly well insulated. It'll stay in these totes for a long time.
So far, Sutton Garden has been approached by Eli Lilly, Kroger Pharmacy, and the State Department of Health. That way, when a vaccination becomes available, these shipping containers will be responsible for sending it across the country.
You know, we don't know how far this is going to go quite yet, but we're certainly set up with outside storage tanks of the liquid CO2. We've got plenty of pelletizing equipment.
While Maynard can't say for sure when Indiana will get its supply, he knows his team will be more than ready to help when that day comes.
The possibilities really are endless.
Not only are Indiana companies already requesting Sutton Garden services, Maynard tells me other states are reaching out daily as well. Live in Indianapolis, Demi Johnson, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
All right, Demi, thank you. Pfizer has filed for emergency use of its vaccine. Earlier this week, Pfizer announced its vaccine appears to be 95% effective at preventing mild to severe COVID-19 disease. Pfizer also said it caused no serious safety concerns. The company says the vaccine could be available for use in high-risk populations by the middle to end of December. Moderna also plans to apply to the FDA for authorization of its vaccine after gathering more safety data this month.